Before starting the video, let's aim for 100 likes on this video. I know that we can complete that, so please go now and hit that like button. I have purchased an amazing rock crawler with changeable tires. So let's open it and see how it is. Inside the box we get a rock crawler, the controller and a small packet. Here we get a battery charger. We also get 4 extra tires with the rock crawler. Let me just put the batteries inside the rock crawler and the controller of the car. Now our rock crawler is ready for testing. Let's go outside and see how it performs. This is how we can change the tires of the rock crawler.